Hey everybody, welcome to the J Who channel. Today your boy Jay Hungry is coming at you making his favorite dish, chicken Florentine. And I got two little helpers with me today. Introducing to my right is Isai. To the left, Rudy. All right, boys, they're gonna help point out the ingredients. First thing up, we got some mushroom soup. Where's that at, guys? Boing! Then we got some lemon juice. Where's that at? Boing! Then we got some curry powder. Where that's at? Behind the mushrooms. What about the fresh mushrooms? Where they at? There they are, right there. How about the chicken? We need some chicken. Where's the chicken? Already cooked, already cut up. Make sure you see my video on healthy chicken so you can learn how to make some good chicken. All right, guys, what about some sharp cheddar cheese? Where's that at? There you go, the yellow one. All right, this cheese, since you want to point at it, that's the Parmesan cheese. Breadcrumbs, where we at? Breadcrumbs. Mayonnaise, where's that at? Mayonnaise right there. Sour cream. Then we got fresh spinach. I'm changing the recipe just a little bit. The fresher the ingredients, I found out the better it tastes. Then we have some white wine. Where's that at? You guys better not know where that's at. Get out of here. So I'll make sure the kids stay away from that. Yeah. And then we got salt and pepper. And we're gonna put these things all together. And in a little bit, hopefully 45 minutes, we'll be enjoying some chicken Florentine.
Don't forget about the butter.
Almost forgot about the butter. Can't forget about the butter. Yeah. Ready? Because here we go. All right, so as we get putting these ingredients together, the first thing I'm going to do is have Rudy drop that spinach into the chicken. And then I want you to mix the chicken and the spinach. Go ahead, drop that in the chicken. There you go. There you go. Now get your hands in there and slowly, easy. Get the chicken from the bottom. There you go, mix it all up. Get that chicken up. All right, now we're gonna have Isai grab the mushroom soup and slowly pour it into this bowl. All right, get it in there. Now grab the mushrooms, Isai. There we go. All right, put that in here. Isai, grab the curry powder. Dump it in there. All right, got it in there. Yeah, that's fine, that'll work. Rudy, grab the sour cream. Put it in there. Hold it upside down. Get a shot of the sour cream coming out.
Make sure do not put it in my face.
Yeah, don't put it in his face.
Yeah, because I'm a handsome boy.
Let me get that. A handsome boy, listen to this guy. If you think that Isai's handsome, leave a comment.
Yeah. Because hashtag Isai's awesome.
There you go.
/ handsome.
Grab the mayonnaise. Put the mayonnaise in. All right. Got it? Go. Scrape that all out. Guess what you're dumping in next, Rudy?
The cheese.
Do it, baby. Do it, baby. Get it in there.
He's a baby.
There we go.
Ooh,
all of it. Flip it upside down. What do we got left, guys? What do we got to put in the bowl? Lemon juice. Throw it in there. Lemon. All right. So we mix all this up. What's left, guys?
The powder. No.
The powder. Get some black powder. You grab the salt. Put some black powder. I'll tell you when. Shake it. Shake it like you mean it. Huh? All right. That's enough, Rudy. You're good. So hold it here and twist it in the bottom. Yeah, there you go. You can't? A little too hard? Let's see. I can barely do it.
He's cracking some eggs.
All right. One more ingredient. And guys, I got this one. Stand back. White wine.
You're not eating this, right?
Not this. We have to cook it. So what ended up happening is that our pans and our pots are a little small. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer it to the big one right here. So we'll flip this upside down, spread it all out.
Yeah.
Then we'll take this here and
Yucky. That kind of looks like...
What does it look like?
It looks like mayo.
Mayo?
I love mayo on hot dogs.
Mayo on hot dogs? Who taught you that?
A movie?
That's how they make them in Mexico.
I was about to say mayo. What?
And now we'll mix this up.
Yeah, mix it.
How about you, Rudy? Any special shout outs?
Shout out to Eastside's. No. Just make sure you go down, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to his channel, and make sure to press that bell button or you're never gonna get any of his new videos. Yeah.
There you go. That's the way I like it. Remember, if you think Eastside's cute, hit that, leave a comment down there.
It was handsome.
You think Rudy's handsome, throw a comment,
Yeah.
let us know. So here's what we do, guys. We take the Parmesan cheese. We got the breadcrumbs. Here, take the Parmesan cheese, throw it in the breadcrumbs. Get it in there. All right, now we're good. Now, Eastside, you got little hands. Mix that up for me, buddy. Mix that up.
Ooh.
All right. So Eastside's got that mix. So now we do is we sprinkle our Parmesan and our breadcrumbs.
Put at the edge all the way to the
Throwing it on the side. All right, we got good coverage there.
Yeah, that's so much.
Put that there. We got butter. Next time. That's my fault. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take slices of butter and just drop the butter.
Do you know what would be funny?
What's that?
If you make like a smiley face with a mustache.
Oh, that would be funny.
Yeah.
But I think that's way too much butter I would have to do.
Yeah.
Okay. So the instructions that Rudy just read you is if we freeze this. Normally you wanna wrap it with plastic, throw it in the freezer, let it get solid, and then the next day, throw it in the oven. But we're not doing that. We can't wait. We're hungry. So we're going to take this, set the oven at 350. We're going to pop it in, let this cook, and in 30 minutes, you'll see the final result.
Yeah.
Here we go. All right, our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Now we're going to take the chicken Florentine, and we're going to put it in the oven. Rudy's behind the controls at the camera. Eastside, where you at? Show me some moves, buddy. Show me some moves. All right, here we go. Let me open this oven door.
Yeah, open it.
Oven door.
Make sure if you have a baby, make sure that your baby's not in it.
That's a good idea. If you have a baby or a small child, make sure they're not around the oven when you open.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put it in there. We're gonna close it up. We're gonna set it. Forget it. Got 30 minutes to wait. Then we'll take it out. We'll taste it. See ya.
See ya,
30 minutes are up. It's all ready. The house smells amazing. Let's take it out. Take a look. Watch out, little kids. Hot stove.
Ooh.
Get a close up of that.
That is good.
What do you think, Isaac? How's it look? How's it smell? Smells good, huh?
I smell nothing.
Let me smell it. Yeah, I don't smell it either.
Okay. Well, we're gonna let it cool down. We'll give it a couple minutes, and then we're gonna taste it. Special thanks to Mom and Pop who allowed me to use their kids. Obviously, they're not getting paid, so I have gonna pay them by tasting the food that they made. So everybody, let's taste. Tell me what you think.
That's good. Good. It's really good.
All right, the proof is in the pudding, or the chicken Florentine, as they say.
Make sure you go down, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to Jehu, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you won't miss any of his new videos. Yeah.
All right, everybody, enjoy. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you thought about the video.
And put them on your favorites.
Yeah, add me to your favorites. There you go. Good one. All right, everybody. Have a good night. See you on the next video. Wrap the uncooked casserole securely with plastic wrap, then with aluminum foil. Place each pan into a plastic freezer bag and seal. Place into the freezer. Allow casserole to thaw 24 hours in refrigerator. When ready to bake, remove the plastic wrap and foil. Bake uncovered at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes until bubbly. Enjoy.